Yeah! Wait, where is my kit of carpentry? Well, let's bring in Auntie. Jump on here. Where? Ah! Oh, Anki, why are you there? Some circly thing just teleported me there. Okay, so let me give you a hint about today's experiment, because we have to. It is in Untold History playlist, just like this video we are watching, and it is the fossil. Oh, there's some thunder, so if you hear this tires sound, it will be just thunder. Wait! This isn't a slabs. Wait, let me go up. Yeah, it's... Oh no! T-Rex! Oh, it's not real. Wait, let's read this. Genuine dino poop specimen inside. Great! Yay! A dinosaur poo! Poo! Yes. Wait, why is it ripped open? There's the T-Rex. Please go! Okay, let's open our kit. Ow! From how does this open up? Up. Ow, that was a noise. Oh, is that it opens from here maybe? Yeah, up. That was too simple. Okay, radio. Wait, did I order some eggs? I think it was a yes. Wait, the dinosaur poop. Wait, dinosaur poop. Roar! Yes, and I'll put it in my hall of experiments. Okay. So we have, where is it? What do we have a chisel for chiseling. I'm an archaeologist. What did you expect? A guy doing experiments without any clue? Yes, clue. And there's fans on. Yeah. Let me open the fossil up. Let me open it up. Ow! Ow! Let's use the chisel. Oh yes. Wow. The rock of roar. Okay, let's start again. This might take a while. Yes, a while. Wait. I use my fingers accidentally. Making massive deep holes. That's it. Yes. And this is not how you actually break a fossil. Let's see. Oh. Digging kit instructions. I didn't know. I thought it was just a fact. Wait. Digging kit instructions. Wait. Prepare your work. station the science ticket. Oh, so we have to add water on top of it. Let's see. You can see closely. Do you see any now? Okay. Use the chisel. Yeah. Breaking up. It's breaking up. Oh, Is this real? Yes. Is it real or fake? In 3, 2, 1. Real. Will the tooth be real? That's the question, and there are so many mosquitoes in my dig site because I'm not in the lab. I just brought my stuff on the table, but I'm not actually on the lab. Let's just build the fossil. Oh. Let's take it. Oh. This is, I think, what it's like to be an arc. Wait. Ologist. Wowie. Oh. Do you see any fossils? Let's use the magnifying glass. Is end to dig it out. Yay! I like messy white stuff. And I will do also something in the second episode of Earth Science. It's just a fake fossil tooth inside. And this is not actually how you have to use the instructions. You can read them because you can read them. English you can. The scientist requests placement and care, and so does figure gently specimen in your dig kit. Please go. Okay. Thank you. Wait, I see something. Could it be? Okay. I think there might be more if there's one. But I think there might be one if there's more. Wait. It might go this way. Yes, I'm going into the right track. Digging deep. Break up this skull of a fake dinosaur. Yeah. Fake dinosaur skull. I see more. I have to see all full fossil. Clean and clean. It might be deep, but I can still find it. It may look deep. And I will give it in the museum episode. If it's real, I'll have to check with the app. with an app. Too big for any dinosaurs that small. Uh-oh, I think I'm getting white. Let it white. Let it white. Wow! It's a full fossil. Let me break the sky of this T-Rex. How long is this? The brush will figure it out. Brushing out the sand. And it's a T-Rex. Ow. It has been 11 minutes into the video. If you made it this far, please consider like, share, and subscribe. Yes, please. Oh, Anki Junior fan. Let me pick him up. Where are you, Anki Junior? Okay. Okay. The fourth. Okay. Taking out the fossil. Carpentry. This will continue on. Kind of not featured in the second episode of Crystal Flight. Oh, this is very hard job. Owie. It is a dinosaur. Roar! It is a dinosaur. Oh, my deluxe kit. Touch. Let me form a shape of the tooth to make sure this is all the tooth. Yep, it's all. Let me brush the specimen. Brushing it up. But I'm sacrificing my hands for you. Okay. Now let's use a chisel. Go crazy. Please go. That's an emergency of some people. Some more dinosaur guests are coming, maybe. Rocky, did you order something yet? What? A pizza. Okay. You can eat it later. Pizza delivery man. Please wait. Okay. Sponsored by National Geographic. National Geographic is a fun kids thing, video channel hashtag thing that tells us about science, math, everything, but not math. It just tells us about some ants. Please go. Fossil dust. Let's get it. It's almost out. The T-Rex tooth. There might be some more. And creepy dinosaur. Stick. But now it's not a lab. Right, guys? It's a dirty site. It's a dirty site. It's a dirty site. It's a dirty site. Let's burn I broke a whole chunk. That will be much easier. T-Rex tooth. Oh! Wait. Yummy. Yummy yum. Oh, T-Rex tooth. Oh, T-Rex tooth. T-Rex, T-Rex, T-Rex. Well, now I'll have to throw in my local dustbin. And also have to do something else. Well, my T-Rex tooth is out. I'll just have to clean it a little. Brush. Oh yes, the brush. Wait, I have the tooth, so I will have it. I have also a dinosaur. Wait, instead of reading and doing the guess the country game, we can do Trivia Land. Okay, trivia, oh trivia, what will you give us today? Trivia, oh trivia, what will you give us today? On the first day of the Eiffel Tower. Da, 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 da. Wait, is that the US song? Okay, so the Eiffel Tower is in France and is in the capital. At least one video told me. So if it's in the capital, you can look at the picture and look at the real thing, because this is just a small statue. Yeah, small statue. What? Do you think a T-Rex tooth will be this big? As the size of the Eiffel Tower? That would be Godzilla. If it were the size of the Eiffel Tower. Da, 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 okay. And these videos are for you and me and everyone in this world. Bye.